Alright, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to be reviewing the Paul Rich 3 Pillars of Creation limited edition watch. This watch came out sometime in June, and I pre-ordered it in June. It's now August 22nd, so I've been waiting 3 years, 2 days, and 3 hours for this watch. Just kidding. Damn, how do you take this shit out? Oh, okay. So here's the front of the box. Seems legit. What's this, metal? Oh, that's metal. Oh shit, okay. Alright, so I'm not gonna lie, I did open it, but I didn't like put it on anything. I just opened it to look at it, but I was like, you know what, let me just make a YouTube video on it. I mean, since I see no YouTube videos on the watch, it's like, fuck it, let me just make a YouTube video on it. So what the hell is this? Oh, this is the I don't know the exact name for this, but this is the alright, my bad, I just searched this up. So this is the I don't know the exact name, to be honest. Like, I was literally gonna make up something before. I was like, you know, I forget, let me search it up. I want to go grab my other phone to go search it up. So this is to size the watch. Yeah, to make it fit your size. I mean, you can do it at home yourself, or you can take it to a freaking a watch dealer or something. I don't know, you're nearby something. Like, I go to this one Chinese place, they adjust my watches for me, but I guess I can do this myself since they gave me this. So that's what that's for. It took me like 5 minutes to search it up. So all right, so this is how the watch looks. Now I'm gonna be honest with you guys, it wasn't what I fully expected. They low-key catfished me with the picture compared to the picture. I mean, I don't know, this looks way more better in the picture for some reason. I don't know, it's like I can't explain it. It's like a huge difference. And the picture looks way better. Like, look at it. Just look at it. It looks so sexy in the picture. But anyways, you know, it's still a nice watch. Beautiful. It was worth every dime. This is without the I'm sorry guys, I do not know my watch terms. This is not without the thing, whatever it was called, the time thingy jigger. I really like watches. Really love watches. So the box, what's this? Blah, 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 blah. Watch manual warranty. It's a warranty, all that good stuff. I'm not reading that. It's the watch cleaner. Okay, yeah. It's official. They got the Paul Rich embroidered in there. And then, oh, please tell me that's a coupon code. Probably a coupon. Oh, no. Spare straps. Oh, I'm not gonna lie, I do want the green strap, because I don't really like gold straps because they're too flashy. Because Paul Rich, they have this green strap. Hold on, let me show it up because I'm talking too much. Let me show you guys. They have a green strap, like it goes perfect with the watch. I think it's still sold out. All right, no, all right, it just came back with more stock. So this green strap right here, it really goes with the watch. It's so beautiful. It's leather. How much is it? 50. Yeah, so I'm gonna get that too. Might do a review on that. I don't think I have to do a review on that, but you know, if I want to, I will. Shoot. So that's the green strap. Now imagine that with this. This is crazy. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to get it. But fresh out the box, this thing is low-key kind of heavy. It's heavy. I have a few diesel watches. For those of you guys that know what diesel watches is, those are freaking Ben 10 watches, basically. The freaking what's it called? The bezel or the dial is so huge. It's like how much? 45 millimeters. It's the 35 or 45. I forgot what size it is, but it's humongous. Like, you see this right here? It's just on my wrist, but the diesel, it will literally like fill up my whole wrist. Like, I used to get roasted in school. People say like Ben 10. So, all right. Aside from that, let's get back to the box. So, something else on here. I don't think I'm supposed to take that out. Oh, something. Damn, I don't know. Mess it up. This is a note. Blah, 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 blah. I don't really read that stuff. I mean, I just want my watch and get out of here. So, this is really official. They had the Paul Rich embroidered on the box. They have the watch. All these other goodies. Yeah, let me try on the watch.
A few minutes later.
All right, finally, this thing is that was annoying. I was literally standing here for like 10 minutes trying to rip it off, and until until I freaking finally quit and just went to go get a scissor. So here it is after. Oh shoot! Come on, bro. I'll take off this thing. All right, finally. Okay. So I think I'm fully ready now. So here's the watch. After I took off the plastic, this thing is amazing. So here's how it looks on my wrist. It's low key too big. I don't know. Damn, it's so huge. This thing is humongous. So I might have to use, where is it? This thing. Damn it. This thing right here to size it down properly. Probably have to search up a video on YouTube on how to take these things out so I can size it down. I low-key don't feel like doing it, so I'm probably gonna do it in like next week or something. Because I'm not gonna wear it anytime soon. Probably just wear it to Walmart or some shit. Let's just show it off. But anyways, oh shoot. I am gonna turn off all the lights and show you guys the I don't know what's it called, bro. Quartz, the light up glow. I don't know what now. I'm sorry, I don't know what it's called. But I'm gonna turn off the lights and show you guys how it glows.
10 seconds later.
All right, so I'm gonna turn off the light. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's how it looks in the dark. I have a light over there open. I should have closed it, but this is how it looks in the dark. It had no energy because the first time I turned the lights off, it was not glowing. So I just took my flashlight from my phone and put it over it just so it can glow up a little bit. But I know this is not how it fully looks because it didn't get enough time to, you know, charge up, I guess, or I mean whatever it's called. But this is how it looks when it's glowing. This is a peek of how it looks actually. But anyways, besides that, I'm pretty sure I'm done now. This might have been the worst review I ever did in my life. I don't think I'll ever do a review ever again. But if you did like it, I'll appreciate it if you guys liked the video. Subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll leave a link to the website in the description. But if you do want this watch, it's sold out. It was like limited to 200, I think, limited to 200, and they all sold out. They sold out in like two weeks. It was crazy. It sold out in like 2 weeks. Like I was gonna wait like 1 month because I didn't think it was gonna sell out because I think this one right here was going for $350, I think $350, and the other one was going for like $550. So I didn't think it was gonna sell out. Like I was low-key gonna wait because I mean I didn't feel like buying it, you know. But anyways, I'm so glad I bought it because it's sold out now. Like I would have regretted it. And I really highly recommend if they have another limited edition watch and it looks really nice like this, I suggest you guys buy it right away because it will sell out. Especially these StarDust ones. Like I really hope they come out with a red one because the red one, oh my gosh, I can't just explain it now. But that's the end of the video. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys just made a decision on whether to buy a Paul Rich. Did I say the name right? Paul Rich watch or not. And like, comment, subscribe.